Hey there, Internet Keeve here, and this video is all about wrapping the cars. So the first thing we're gonna do is take Heidi to Opulent Auto Styling to get the front bumper rewrapped. We're gonna redo the trunk because there was an issue with the trunk, and then what looks like we're gonna possibly PPF the front bumper and maybe that front carbon lip. Now, Helen, on the other hand, she's getting a full wrap. So we'll be seeing the before and afters of both of those kind of cut throughout this video. But here's Heidi with her bumper. You can see she has been sandblasted by rock chips. And the lip is new. It hasn't really been on a trip yet to be sandblasted, so it'll be a great time to go ahead and PPF it. But I mean, we've had some rocks explode. I mean, we've got some deep, deep rock chips. So we go from Heidi to Helen. She's chilling out here in the garage. There are several things we have to do to her. The front bumper, quarter panel, and door on the driver's side were all resprayed at some point. Before that, the car was ceramic coated. So now I have to polish the car to get rid of that ceramic so we can put the wrap on the car. So that's all I'm gonna say for now on Helen. I'm not gonna give the wrap color or anything like that. Heidi, we already know what color that is. That's a satin psychedelic. I have it right here. This is the original wrap. That's how much we had left. And you always want to buy the whole roll and keep the whole roll. Don't let the shop use it on another car. The pigment differences between, especially on color flips, can be different from roll to roll depending on the lot. When they're produced, you're not going to get a good match. You need enough left to be able to rewrap some bumpers and correct some issues. All right, so we're walking in to hand in the keys. So the next time you see Heidi, she'll have a newly fresh front bumper and PPF. See you inside the shop. Got that green right there. Right. Check out this Navigator with the satin chrome they're doing. The interior, jeez. Doing a PPF test to see how much it alters the look of the finish. Actually looks pretty good. So here's the test spot. You can kind of see the line right here. I think it's definitely a go for PPF. Well, right near where Opulent Auto Styling is, you ever seen Zombieland 2? That's where the tower scene was filmed. And there she is. Finally got the wrap in. It's time to take Helen to Opulent Auto Styling. Now I just did the full strip wash. We've polished the car and all kinds of stuff to get the ceramic that was on there off, completely stripped, no beading whatsoever. So she's geared up and ready to go. I'll tell you one thing, this wrap, impossible to find. Local wholesalers, online wholesalers, we could not find it anywhere. But we found it on Amazon. We had to wait a couple weeks to get it, had to pay probably $200-300 more for a roll than we needed to. But we wanted this color, and we didn't want to wait. Let's get a cold start. Not loud like Heidi, but still a decent tone. Another B58 doesn't sound quite as good as the M55. Got his new CIR BBSs. You've seen the video reviewing those. Will no longer be glossy. That's the least I can tell you right now. You can hear Heidi over there. Now let's go inside and check out the shop. Show the wrap on the roll. Got some awesome builds in here, and a brand new Lamborghini Urus all the way from New Jersey getting wrapped. So we just got the call. Helen is ready. We are so excited. Got about a 40-minute drive to Atlanta. We're in the northern Atlanta suburbs, so it's a little bit of a drive. We'll deal with the traffic. I just can't wait to see the car, so we'll see her in just a second. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. Satin Roaring Thunder by Avery Dennison. We've got the front bumper is PPF'd as well. We wrapped the polished rim protector on the BBS as satin black. We did satin black on the top half of the side view mirrors. We did satin black on the roof and on the shark fin, so we can get that contrast and the sheen on the pictures. Left enough gloss black around the windows, so that's why we left this gloss black and we left that gloss black to allow that. The wheels are kind of a satin. You see, they did a really good job taking that polished lip and wrapping the satin black. All one piece, no seams. And you see that flip from that copperish color all the way to the blue, so you're going to get those sheens of pink and purple. My wife loves this color. Obviously that's her car. I probably would not pick this color myself, but it's her car, so that's her color. I think the cars with Kiev decals still go with the car because we got the red calipers on both sides. So what I usually say to most people is this car has all the colors that Heidi doesn't have. You see Heidi sitting right there. So all the darker colors, the purples, the blues. I mean, Heidi has a little bit of blue, but it's more like a teal kind of blue. So definitely gotta thank Opulent Auto Styling for their amazing work as usual. And to announce they are a sponsor of the car. So between Heidi and Helen, they take care of everything. So if you can see this video on Friday, Saturday, we'll be revealing this car at C&O, Cafe and Octane, Sunday morning at the G-Technic tent. So we say goodbye to Heidi. As you know in the previous video, scratch on the hood. So we're gonna rewrap the hood. Had a few other rock chips in there as well from before, so might as well go ahead and take care of it now with that video. Oh, you hear that? Woo. Helen is now back in the garage where she belongs. She's been gone for a little while. You can see the details. Opulent really did an amazing job bringing the wrap all the way down to the plastic inside the hatch, because the hatches are more visible when they're wide open. So you don't actually see the regular of the car. It actually looks like it's the paint of the car. Now you can't believe how happy I am right now. This turned out so good. They took extra time, tucked things a little more than they did on Heidi. A few more one-piece items that were done fully without seams. We did the outer rim of the wheel. Just a lot more work on this one than Heidi. And it just has her own character. And when these two are together in photos, it's going to be amazing. We're going to be able to do some awesome angles with the wheels side by side because they're both BBS CIR. They're both sponsored by BBS. It's perfect for photo opportunities. So I hope you enjoyed this video. The last half was filmed on my newest lens and it's so crisp. The quality is going to be so much better. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And today we are taking Heidi to get her bike. Oh. Hey there, Internet, Keith here, and today we are taking Heidi, oh my God. Hey there, Internet, Keith here. Oh my God, I'm shaking. Hey there, Internet, Keith here, and oh my God. As you can see, so the day is here. Oh my gosh. So the day is here. Oh my gosh. Why can't I get myself, like, oh my God. We're gonna go take that 45-minute drive down. Oh my God. When these things are in photos together, it's gonna look, yeah.
Am I gonna mess with your shot going down this way?
Nah.
Fair enough. Doing alright?
Doing pretty good, you?